Most people think real estate investing only works if you have a flexible schedule, that you need more hours during the day, that you need to quit your job first. But what if working full time isn't the problem? And what if the way people try to invest is? Here's what I see all the time. Someone wants passive income. They like the idea of real estate, but then reality hits. Meetings, commutes, family, exhaustion. So they tell themselves, I'll focus on this once things slow down. But things don't ever slow down. And years later, they're still trading time for money, not because they chose to, but because they never changed the system. Busy does not block wealth. Repeating the same structure blocks wealth. Let me ask y'all this and answer honestly. Is time the reason that you haven't started? Or is it not knowing how to do this without burning yourself out? If the issue is time, type time in the comments. Here's the big misunderstanding. Most people think passive income means doing everything themselves first, that you have to hustle now so that you can relax later. But real passive income isn't built by adding more tasks to your life. It's built by designing the right roles, timing, and leverage. If it requires all your time, it is not passive. It's just a second job. Think about it like this. Two people both want passive income. One tries to do everything themselves, searching, calling, managing, stressing out. The other focuses on understanding the system, who does what, when decisions matter, where leverage actually lives. Same goal, completely different outcomes. Guess which one burns out? Passive income isn't about effort, it's about alignment. This is why people with full-time jobs often feel like real estate is not realistic. Not because they lack discipline, but because they were taught models that require full-time attention. And when your strategy doesn't match your life, the strategy always loses. So what actually works when you're working full-time? You need clear roles, not more tasks. You need the right order of decisions. And you need more strategies designed for limited time. When those pieces are in place, real estate stops feeling overwhelming and it starts feeling intentional. As a child, I saw my parents work so hard. They were so consumed with their jobs and they didn't have time for anything else. But they still knew, because of how much they were paying in taxes and how hard they were working, that they had to find a way to build passive income in the crevices of their schedule. And just like I was talking with you all about, they tried to do it themselves and created another job. What they realize now is that their time didn't matter if they would have done the right passive strategy first. I've seen people with demanding schedules build passive income because they respected their own time. And I've seen people with flexible schedules stay stuck because they didn't. The difference was never availability. It was design. This is exactly what I break down inside of my free live webinar, Beyond the Paycheck. I walk through how people build real estate income without quitting their jobs, without burning out, without guessing their way through it. It's not about doing more. It's about doing things in the right order. This topic, this information is near and dear to my heart because I watch my parents struggle through this same situation. And now that they are retired, they found a way to invest passively that they wish they knew about when they were working full time to continue building their legacy. What they're doing now takes them way less time than what they were invested time into learning how to invest when they were working. If this video helped you rethink what's possible while working full time, do two things for me. First, go to the comments and tell me time or structure if you haven't already. Second, if you're ready to build income without burning yourself out, make sure you register for the Beyond the Paycheck webinar. The link is in the description. Because passive income isn't about having more time. It's about building the right system for you. Freedom is designed, not squeezed in.